Here are 3 reasons end of the year bookkeeping is stupid. Okay. What do I mean by end of the year bookkeeping? Waiting until the end of the year to do your books. It's dumb. I've done it before. Okay. By the way, it's dumb. Before we get to that, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of Big Bird Accounting. We help law firm owners do their books, tax strategy, tax prep, and we're super good at it. If you are a law firm owner and you need help with those things, go to bigbirdaccounting.com, set up a time to talk with me over the phone for free, and I'll show you what we can do. Okay? Now, I had a call today with someone who was looking for help with their books. They, in the past, have waited until the end of the year before they did any sort of tax prep or bookkeeping. They always waited till the end. And that's just a bad idea. And there are 3 main reasons why it's a terrible, terrible idea. Reason number 1 is if you don't have up-to-date books, you can't strategize. Okay, you don't have any idea what you are paying in taxes. You don't have any idea what your potential liability is. It's very hard to identify and implement specific things based on your own business, even if it's just getting the right deductions, home office deduction, vehicle deductions, making sure that things are categorized correctly, making sure that your meals and expenses are in the 50% category if they're supposed to be, or 100% category if they're supposed to be. All of these different things are much more difficult if you're waiting until the end of the year and then trying to back into everything. So you are, much more likely to save significantly more money if you are up to date on your books throughout the year. For example, right now it's July. You can look at your sort of a half year, your mid-year reports and say to yourself, okay, I'm looking to make or pay this much in tax if everything continues the way that it does. What are some things that I can start to do right now to mitigate those taxes, to shift some income, to make some other purchases for the business that are going to help the business grow and also reduce my income taxes come tax time. So that's number 1. Number 2, it's really hard to know if you're actually making money if you're not doing your books. Okay, for a lot of people, there's money coming in, there's money going out, there's expenses to be paid, there's lines of credit, there's credit card balances. Sometimes, and I've done this before to be just 100% honest and open, I have looked at my bank account balance before and seen that it's pretty big. This was a long time ago. And then I didn't realize, or I forgot, I didn't compare that to my credit card statement, which was also very big. So in the grand scheme of things, I wasn't actually necessarily making a lot of money at that time because my expenses were racing ahead with my income. So when I zeroed those out, I actually wasn't making that much money. That's not a big problem unless you think you are making a lot of money and you are making choices based on that. A proper bookkeeping will show you exactly how much profit you're making at any given time and allow you, again, to strategize, to reduce expenses if you need to increase expenses in certain other places, and have a better, healthier business. All right. Number 3, if you don't have up-to-date books, it is really hard to know if people are stealing from you. And I don't really mean stealing from you in the sense of like employee theft or things like that, although that can happen. You would be able to see that probably with some of the bookkeeping information that you would be provided. But I also just mean like transactions that are not authorized by you, double transactions, memberships and subscriptions that you want to get rid of, but you just don't realize that they're even getting paid because you don't see them. Proper books, up-to-date books, they will show you those things loud and clear, and then you can take care of them. All right. And if you have a good bookkeeper, I'm not pointing any fingers, that will review your P&L with you, then you're even more likely to catch those types of things. Okay. So there you go. 3 reasons why waiting to do your bookkeeping until the end of the year is stupid. Okay. All right. Hopefully this helped. If it did, that's great. Hit the like button, follow, subscribe. If you have questions, ask them. I will answer them. And if you are a law firm owner and you need help with your books, go to bigbirdaccounting.com. Talk with me over the phone for free. And I'll show you what we can do. All right, that is it for today. I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of Big Bird Accounting. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you. And I will talk to you again soon.